What's up, it's your girl, back with another freaking video. Today I'm getting my hair done. I'm getting a double frontal ponytail install for NASAP. It's a trip in South Carolina for record. Yes, so I'm gonna take y'all on the process. This is my first time getting a double frontal ponytail. I've had a frontal ponytail before, junior prom, but yeah. I'm gonna tell y'all the stylist I'm going to. Let me find it. She's located in Atlanta, Georgia. Misfit the stylist. This is her Instagram. Yeah. I'll let y'all know when I get in there or whatever, and I'm gonna start recording. Okay, guys, just got my hair washed. Felt great. When we start the next step, I will pick up the camera and show y'all. I think the next step is flat ironing my hair. Only because you ain't here.
Promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason. And I decide to go out swinging. Living in the air, my clothes swing, dripping everywhere. I'm all in. I don't even care as long as laying in my bed, I'm falling. What everyone said.
Situations, come on y'all, we look right, hey, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebration, yeah, with the guys, I sacrificed because I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you, you are my girl, you see,
That's the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. This is the finished results. The overall hairstyle was super cute. It was kind of hard to manage. I wore it in South Carolina. during its prime heat waves. So that was one of my major issues that I had with the hairstyle. Other than that, 10 out of 10. And my overall experience with the hairstylist was nice. She was super nice, and we had great conversations throughout the hair appointment. Bye. Thanks for watching.
I'm with the boys in the hood right now. I'm feeling like Angela Bassett. Looking like Jessica Rabbit. They know that I'm dropping the classic.